This is Genesee BioMedical's ROBOTx Toolkit. These are minimally invasive tools made for robotic reach and surgical flow. These are the two suction tools. This is the large diameter suction tool. Hook up the suction tube to the back, then you can use this end to clear out the field of vision during robotic surgery or minimal invasive. And this is the ball tip suction tool, just a little longer and narrower for confined spaces. These are the two knot pushers. There's an open and a closed knot pusher. The closed knot pusher has a 15-degree angle at the end. The surgeon will tie the knot and push it down through the port. The open knot pusher is the exact same. The two suture hooks, there is a left and a right suture hook, both used to manipulate suture down through a confined space during a minimal invasive or robotic surgery. This is the robotic port and obturator. Genesee BioMedical has a robotic port and obturator used to go through the incision, allow access for robotic surgery. And these are the robotic toolkit valve sizers used for measuring the diameter of the valve for valve replacement. Pick them up using robotic pickups and size the annulus. Sizes 25 through 33, 2 millimeter increments.